There was a general voters' apathy in Yaba, Surulere, Costain, among other areas during Saturday's governorship and state assembly elections, as witnessed by our correspondent Fatoki Kunle. His report is presented from our studio.
It's the state elections for the government that is close to the people, unlike the national elections. But ad hoc staff and other election officials failed to resume duty on time. That was the picture at most polling centers like this one at Afolabi Street, off Community Road in Akoka area, where voting started some minutes to 10 o'clock in the morning. Ojuelegba National Stadium and other communities in Surulere down to Costain and National Theatre generally recorded low turnout of voters. At the State Junior Secondary School at Eric Moore, voting was in process when MITV news crew visited.
There is obvious apathy. The turnout is very poor. That's obvious. What could have caused it? People are virtually disinterested.
I mean, last 2 weeks when I came, the crowd was more than what it is now, but from the look of things, I think it's still commendable.
The Minister of Works, Power and Housing, Babatunde Fashola, performed his civic duty at the same polling center by 10:37 a.m.
I can't make a judgment on that at this stage. I think we will know when the votes are counted, and we will be able to then see compared to last week and perhaps compared to previous elections. But I think this is the election that people really should be more concerned about. This is the election that impacts government at the places closest to people.
Flashpoints and some areas that recorded ballot box snatching, violence and other forms of electoral malpractices during the national elections, as well as huge turnouts of voters similarly recorded voters' apathy.
The voting went on quite orderly. Took a very little time to really perform the responsibility, unlike what we had in the last presidential and National Assembly elections. It's obvious if you can look at what is around.
It's not only here that you have that apathy. It's all over Lagos. I don't know what was responsible for it, but I don't know why some of the staff of INEC consider today as the best day for them to go on strike. Early in the morning, they didn't want to come out. They said they were not paid. Although we experienced low turnout initially.
Some residents preferred the round leather ball game as military men mounted checkpoints